Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nirob. Today I'm going to walk you through the simplest steps to create an Adbluemedia account quickly and easily. First, click on the official registration link provided in the description below. Once you click the link, you'll be taken directly to the Adbluemedia sign up page. Now click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Enter your basic information like your first name, then last name, then enter your username, then give a secure password, re-enter the password, then give your email address, then select your country, then give your street address where you're currently living now, then give state, then give city, postal code, then where did you hear about us? You can give Google, then LinkedIn, then add website, then give promotional method like Facebook group, Facebook Reels, social media marketing, then Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, Pinterest boards, Twitter threads, Snapchat Spotlight, etc. Then current network, you can add your max bounty, then verify this that you're not a robot, then select all of this, then click here, register an account. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and genuine. After completing the form, submit your application and wait for the review process. In some cases, the Adbluemedia team may contact you for additional verification. Once your application is approved, you'll receive a confirmation email and gain access to your publisher dashboard. That's it, your Adbluemedia account is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.